Just in case back at it or something. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. So that's exactly what I'm. Alright, so I just got this 2018 4-ton Trane XR14 starting up. You can't even see the logo. Zoom in. Has a wanted scroll compressor. Jet check fan motor. 2018 4-ton. Very cold and sweaty. I don't think this is a heat pump. No, it's not a heat pump. It's just a straight cool. I got this thing starting up last year. You may remember these units. Oh, and that thing started back up. So I got two. These starting up. It was making some noises. And this thing actually, this is why I set it up, because I had a feeling something was going to happen. I had a feeling this thing was going to start up. And sure enough, as I was setting up the camera, it turned on like as I was setting it up while it was recording. So yeah, there it is. Thank you for watching, and over and out.